Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best small band saws for crafts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Inland Craft DB 100 band saw machine. Crafters seeking versatility in their workshop will appreciate the Inland Craft DB 100 band saw machine's ability to cut through multiple materials, from stained glass to stone and wood. This compact 10-pound saw features variable speeds from 800 to 3,400 RPM and includes 3 specialized blades for different materials. You'll find its built-in water coolant system keeps cuts smooth while preventing overheating. While the lightweight thermoplastic construction makes it portable, some users report durability concerns. The saw excels at intricate shapes and cabochons, though its smaller water reservoir can limit extended use. It's best suited for light to medium projects in space-conscious workspaces. Moving on at number 4, we have the WEN Portable Band Saw for metal. The WEN Portable Band Saw strikes an impressive balance between power and portability, making it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts who need versatility in their metal cutting projects. At 14.5 pounds, you'll find this saw manageable for extended use, especially with its adjustable front handle. The 10-amp motor delivers speeds from 60 to 420 feet per minute, while the 5-inch cutting capacity handles most hobby tasks. You'll appreciate the LED light for precise cuts and the external blade tensioning lever for quick adjustments. While the factory blade might need upgrading, the saw's $99 price point and 4.6 star rating from over 1,000 users make it a solid value. At number 3, we have the VEVOR Portable Band Saw. Packing 1,100 W of power into a versatile design, the VEVOR Portable Band Saw stands out as an excellent choice for craftspeople who need both stationary and handheld cutting capabilities. You'll appreciate its removable base that switches between fixed and portable operation, cutting materials up to 5 inches in diameter. The variable speed control lets you adjust from 137.8 to 472.4 feet/min, while the ergonomic soft grip handle reduces fatigue during extended use. You can tackle everything from metal and aluminum to PVC pipe with precision, thanks to its 45 to 90 degree cutting angles and LED light for better visibility. At number 2, we have the WEN 9-inch band saw. Designed for precision and control, the WEN 9-inch band saw, B3959, delivers impressive performance in a compact package. With its 2.8 amp motor pushing 2,500 feet per minute, you'll breeze through cuts up to 3/1/2 inches deep and 9 inches wide. The 12/1/4x11/7/8-inch work table bevels up to 45 degrees for angled cuts. You'll appreciate the included 1/4-inch blade, rib fence, and miter gauge for accurate cuts. While it's not meant for heavy-duty jobs, this 40-pound saw excels at small projects and delicate work. The 2-year warranty and positive user ratings make it a smart choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. And finally, at number 1, we have the OSKOOL 24-inch straight edge guide clamp. If you're seeking professional-grade accuracy in your woodworking projects, the OSKOOL 24-inch straight edge guide clamp with bandsaw fence delivers 3 essential features: precise measurements, secure clamping, and versatile adjustability. This quick-release fence system lets you make consistent, straight cuts while keeping your hands safely away from the blade. The ProGrip Straight Edge Guide allows you to correct blade drift with slight angle adjustments, while the sturdy clamp prevents workpiece movement. You'll appreciate its compatibility with both band saws and table saws, making it a cost-effective choice that's earned a 4.6 star rating from woodworkers who praise its reliable performance and durability. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.